up guys, welcome back to a brand new video. It's me Emmanuel, and don't forget to subscribe, drop a like and share this video. Yeah, and you guys are the amazing subscribers I ever had. And yeah, so help me guys to get 100 subscribers, please guys. Let's do it. You guys are the strongest. Yeah, so I will show you guys my chickens, and then we just go to see the river, and then yeah, okay, have fun, enjoy the video. Bye guys. Okay. Here we go. A little bit cold, but we got this. There's my rooster, my second rooster right there. This one, that's a chicken, a hen. Hey guys, how are you? Yeah, that's a hen. Those are my other ones. That one that just walked in. That one. That's a rooster. Yeah. Let's go see the other ones. Hello. I show you guys my chickens. Yeah, like I was telling you guys that yesterday was my birthday. And it was pretty fun. And yeah, so I think I will show you guys the tunnel, maybe. How does it look like if it's not raining? Yeah, so I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye. I told you that I will come here to the river, and I did it. I made it here. So there's not lots of water coming out because it didn't rain a lot. So yeah, that's the river, and actually it's a little bit cold, so I brought a jacket. Yeah, so I will show you guys the river, where it goes like that, and yeah, this is the river. to the very top of this molehill, and I was looking over there on that side. There's a small farm from the school, so yeah. But it's a beautiful day today to walk outside with your family, friends, brother, uncles, cousins, yeah. But the only thing, we had rain coming that way. I will show you guys. We had rain coming from that way. See? So yeah. And over there you can see the small farm. Let me see if you can see it. There we go. It's that one right there. Yeah. To sprinkle a little bit, but I forgot to bring my basketball to play for a little bit, but I don't have lots of time because the rain is coming towards me. So yeah, I should better get home and hopefully I don't get wet on the way back. Yeah. So I will see you guys next time. Maybe I should better go like different places to do some videos, like on the mountains, like that. Yeah. Okay guys, I will show you the tunnel, and then from there I should better get home and the video there. There's a tunnel, but I should better get home. It's raining right now, and don't forget to subscribe, drop a like, and turn your post notifications on. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. There's the tunnel right there, but I had to go home. Bye guys. Peace out.